Hey there everybody, welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself projects and real home product reviews. Hopefully we've got a video to help you out in terms of assembling this or buying this particular slide slash playground set for kiddos. I'll put a link in the description below for this model or a similar model. This one is a little old or older. There's always new ones coming out, right? But we're going to show you how we can get this assembled. The first thing we're going to do, get all the pieces laid out. Obviously you want to put it in a nice flat area, and you get to watch me put this together. It'll go as fast as I can, but the first thing we're going to do is take this top piece and we're going to take the cargo rope. This is something that the kiddos can climb up, right? And we will position it as such, putting the rope through the pre-designed slot. Next up, we'll take the side and we'll position it right over that brown piece, that dark brown piece, and then step on it and you'll hear a click. So we'll do the same thing with the other side. Click, there we go. And then we'll put the top floor, so to speak, on. And there's no click here, we're just gonna line things up. Next up, we'll take the little steps here and we'll put the screws in as shown, some metal screws. And then we will position it to where it needs to be. You can see the big blue plastic screw ends will go through those holes on the side walls just like that. And there are some different configurations that you could do depending on how steep you want the stairs or the climbing wall to be. And then we'll take these big plastic bolts and we will hand tighten them just a little bit. We just want it to be secure. Do not tighten them all the way quite yet. We'll do that in a later step. Next up, we'll be installing this piece. Pretty simple. We will put the plastic screw ends through the holes there on the top, and again, hand tightening, not all the way, just a little bit to secure them. Next up, we'll take the bottom brace and we're going to slide the top of the bottom brace through the roof there, or I should say the floor, and then the bottom part of the brace will click into that long brown piece on the bottom. Using the provided wrench that came with the set, we will tighten up the black bolts, as you can see here, and then we will finish up the cargo net like this. And now you might need a screwdriver to push it or a pliers to pull it. I found using a screwdriver helped, especially on some of the last ones when the rope is a little tighter, kind of harder to get through there, but you push it through the wide part of the hole and then it should sink down right there into the narrow part of the hole, preventing it from coming out. So really simple idea here, simple little job. The last thing we're going to do, of course, is the slide. Slide, no hardware required. Everything just kind of slides into place. So we'll put one side, align one side, and then the other side should pop down. Put a little weight on there. Sorry, I've got one hand, so bear with me. Put a little bit of weight on there and boom, it drops very nicely and securely. Here's another view of what it looks like when it is all said and done. Highly recommended little thing. A lot of fun for the kiddos. And hopefully this video has been helpful in you assembling yours, or of course making a good purchasing decision. For more home projects and real home product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for being with me.